Hello friends! Today we will add the new game function. Let's create variables for all data we need and put them at the beginning of our main function. Field data, we already have this variable, but it should be here, without initialization. Field visualization as well. We also need dimensions and bombs here. Field width, height, and bombs. Okay, now we can add a function to initialize our game. We need to provide the game properties here: width, height, and bombs. First, let's set our dimensions. Field width, field height, and field bombs. Also reset our flags here. Next, let's cut the field initialization. And paste it into the new game function. Also, set the inner HTML of the board to blank, because it can be different size. And at last, cut the initialization of our visual part. And paste it here. Our function is done, and now we can return it as well as the reset function. And we also need to replace all occurrences of the old width, height, and bombs to new. In my editor I can do it like that. Select it here, press F2 and enter new name, field width. Or you can do it manually. Repeat it for height and for bombs. And now we can remove them from function definition. We don't need them anymore. Let's go to the function call and update it. Remove these props. And add the second const to store our new game function. At last, we need to call the new game function to initialize the game. Check it. All works as before. Let's stop for now. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.